Hey, what's up? I'm Maow Del Rosario, Unbox Everything Philippines. I am the brother of
Mikel Del Rosario, your apologetics guy.
And today we are going to be unboxing this conference kit from my brother just spoke at a conference. What conference was it?
It's the Apologetics Conference at Greenhills Christian Fellowship, supporting my new book, Did Jesus Really Say He Was God?
So they were going to open this up and see what we have inside. Let's check it out. So it's like a nice kit here. Got words
like a
there.
banker's bag.
Yeah. So you could reuse it for other stuff. Inside, we've got this, which is a
Gospel track.
Gospel track. Yeah.
Hello, kitty. We got
That's my cat.
Kylo.
And then we've got
Little bookmark.
little bookmark. But in here, I think we also got a ball pen, so you can take down notes. We've got that Apologetics Conference branding.
Yeah.
So it's a special edition ball pen. And finally in here, this is the little, what do you call this?
It's a notebook for the conference for people to take notes. So you can fill in the blanks and follow along from session 1 and session 2. We'll actually have the video live, or not live, but we'll have the video uploaded. It will be live, yeah, for people to watch, and then they can kind of follow along as well.
It got an
chapter 1 of my book. So chapter 1 is available now for you to actually read.
There you go.
Before the book comes out.
So chapter 1, the whole chapter 1?
Yeah.
The whole chapter 1 you got absolutely free in this notebook. But for the people watching, like, how can they check it out? Is there a way?
Yeah, you can go to my website, apologeticsguy.com. We can put that online as well.
And so then, when can people actually read the full book? Is it done?
Yeah, you can read the full book on October 23. You can pre-order it now on Amazon.
That's super cool. But yeah, this was really fun unboxing this. Again, I'm Maow Del Rosario, Unbox Everything PH. You can follow me on my socials on TikTok, IG, and YouTube. And of course, you're already watching on Apologetics Guy.
That's right.
We are brothers. I'm the youngest. He's the oldest. So this is pretty cool for us to do together.
It's a pretty cool collab.
Nice. That was fun.
Boom.